Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia Espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the water pump and give the machine a good tune-up, descaling the machine, deep cleaning pretty much everything, and yeah, so we're gonna test it out starting with one cappuccino, so we test pretty much everything on the whole machine. And this is a bigger one, I don't think it's gonna be enough for it. We're gonna be using water instead of milk, but as you can see, it's siphoning the water perfectly fine. We also replaced the holes in the carafe. Now for the coffee. You can see a good nice flow coming out there. Fortunately we're not using milk, so we won't be able to actually have a cappuccino texture, so it's just going to be the regular coffee right there. As you can see, it's a nice cream with a good color. Also, the grind can be adjusted by getting a little bit finer. We're now a little bit fine, but you want it to be more finer, you can just go a little bit more and have more extra crema. And there you have it, Gaggia Academia working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.